Hi guys, today we are going to see adding and subtracting like fractions. Just a reminder, like fractions are the ones which have same denominator. So here 4 and the denominator is 4 and here also denominator is 4. So like fractions, you just add the numerators. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 4 denominator stays the same. You can simplify this. 2 3s are 2 2s are. If you see the second question, it is 7. Same denominator 7 and 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. Add the numerators, denominator stays the same. Do the same thing, look at the question number 3. It's 25 and 25, same denominators. So easy, just add the numerators, which is 16 and 12. 16 plus 12 is 28. Over denominator stays the same. So I'm leaving this 4, 5 and 6 for you guys to do it at home. Practice yourself. Let's see subtracting the fractions which have same denominator. If you guys can already guess it, it's the same thing. Same denominator, like fractions. Just subtract the numerators. You have 14 minus 13 is 1 over 15 is the denominator which stays the same. Also the second one, 6 ninth minus 5 ninth, denominator same, just minus the numerators. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 9. Third one also, 95 minus 36 is 95, take away 36 is 15 minus 6 is 9, 8 minus 3 is 5. So it is 59 and denominator stays the same. So I want you all to try adding the like fractions. Here are some examples. You have from 4 to 6. Try it yourself. Find the difference. Try this yourself. Say always remember like fractions, same denominators. Just add or subtract the numerator. I'll make another video on adding and subtracting fractions where you'll have a different denominators. I'll do that in the next video. So today let's just learn this. Thank you. Bye bye.